For example, if an emitter is known as the radio transmitter of a certain unit, and by using direction finding or DF tools, the position of the emitter is locatable. The sense of location from one point to another can be deduced without listening to any order or report if one unit reports back to a comment on a certain pattern, and another unit report of the same pattern to the same comment, then the two units are probably related, and that conclusion is based on the metadata of the two units transmission, not on the content of their transmission. Using all or as much of the metadata available is commonly used to build up an electronic order of battle or A or B, mapping different entities in the battlefield and their connection. Of course, in the A or B could be built by tapping all the conversation and trying to understand which unit is where. But using the metadata with an automatic analysis tool enables a much faster and accurate A or B build up that alongside tapping build a much better and complete picture. Woodward 1. British analysis in Woodward 1 noticed that the call saying of German Vice Admiral Reinhard Speer, commanding the hostile fleet, had been transferred to a land station. Admiral of the fleet Betty, ignorant of Speer's practice of changing calling scene, upon leaving harbor, dismissed its importance and disregarded Rome. 14 analysis attempts to make the point the German fleet sorted and the British were late in meeting them at the late Battle of Jutland. If traffic If traffic analysis had been taken more seriously, the British may have done better than I draw. French military intelligence CP Kreskov legacy had erected a network of intercept stations at the Western Front in pre-war times. When the Germans crossed the frontier, the French worked out rudiments for direction finding based on intercept signal intensity. Recording of call signs and volume of traffic folder enable them to identify German combat group and to distinguish between fast-moving cavalry and slower infantry. World War II. In early World War II, the aircraft carrier HMS Glorious was evacuating field and planes from Norway. Traffic analysis produced indications Canhouse and Gneisenau were moving into the North Sea, but the Admiralty dismissed the report as unproven. The captain of Glorious did not keep sufficient lookout and was subsequently surprised and sunk. Harry Hensley, the young Bletchley Park Eliation to the Admiralty. Later said his report from the traffic analysis were taken much more seriously thereafter. During the planning and result for the attacks on Pearl Harbor, very little traffic was passed by radio. Subject to interception, the ship's unit and commerce involved were all in Japan, and in touch by phone, courier, signal lamp, or even flag, none of the traffic was intercepted and could not be analyzed. The espionage effort against Pearl Harbor before December did send a unusual number of messages. Japanese officials regularly called in Hawaii and messages were carried about by consular personnel. At least one ship vessel carried some Japanese Navy intelligence officer. Such message cannot be analyzed. It has been suggested, however, the volume of diplomatic traffic to and from certain consular stations may have indicated place of interest to Japan, which may just have suggested location to concentrate traffic analysis and description effort.